and then you put a wire on them.
It's not even done and they're already fighting for it. You cats are hilarious. And she's in the truck.